Hello design lovers, want to change the background of your project in Adobe Express? Let's get that background switched off in no time. First, open Adobe Express and load your project. On the left sidebar, find the background tab. You'll see options like solid colors, gradients, or you can upload an image for a custom background. Select the background type you want. If you choose an image, simply upload it and resize to fit. For a more unique touch, adjust the opacity, blur, or color tone to get that perfect vibe. If you are using an image background, make sure it complements the elements in your design so it does not distract from your content. If your text or elements are not standing out, try adjusting the contrast or opacity of the background for better readability. How do you like to style your backgrounds? Solid color, image, or gradient? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.